So here we also have the SureSpan EX. It is a 100% silicone membrane used for any joint movements. Anywhere you have major movement, deflection, joints, you want to use a membrane like this because it has memory and it will always come back to the shape that it originally was. The SureSpan EX silicone membrane should be installed. First, you want to cut the membrane to be a minimum 1 inch beyond the space. Then you want to mark your substrate, the size of that space, so that you have a line to follow with your SureSpan adhesive without the membrane. You want to run a bead directly onto the substrate. So you want to wet set your pre-cut piece of membrane onto your pre-laid out SureSpan adhesive. And once that's set, you want to take a Bondo knife or roller, just apply pressure around to make sure that you have the adhesive flat and covered across all perimeter of the sheet. The unique translucent color of this product helps you ensure that you have full coverage behind the membrane. Run another bead of SureSpan adhesive on top and flatten that out with a Bondo knife as well. Once that's been cured, tacky to the touch without transfer, you can cover with the air barrier 1 inch minimum STP to STP. The SureSpan EX silicone membrane is great for high movement areas, such as a pressure plate connection from a curtain wall system to your air barriered wall, seismic joints, or any drift movement.